Hey guys, I just got out of the shower, hence my crazy appearance. But I technically unboxed this last night on Skype with my boyfriend, but I got one of the other makeup related items from my order. So when I got the envelope, it said my first and last name, and it's the Cat's Wink face makeup, like packaging. That's why I was intrigued on the website. It was like $3. It was one of those. It was real cheap. And I wondered what it was gonna do, and I picked the lightest shade because it looked super pale. And it is super pale. I tested it on my hand last night. That's what it looks like. Cat's wink. But on Wish it was advertised as a BB cream. But this says shiny skin base, whitening, moisturizing. So I don't know. But then on the back it does say BB cream. So I hadn't looked it up for like what it's gonna do, what the benefits are, what the claims are. I didn't look up anything. I didn't put it on my face yet. I only put it on my hand. It has like a squirty kind of bottle tube, so that's nice. You can control the product, and that's what it looks like in my hand. I knew it'd be my shade. I'm hoping it doesn't oxidize or anything, meaning it'll make me look like a fool. That's what it looks like. It's very shiny. It gives a nice finish. It like covers like the redness and stuff that's on my hand. It's nice. The only thing I would complain about so far is the scent. Like, this kind of scent reminds me of like when my sister was living with us and she would spray like her really heavy scented perfume. That's what it reminds me of. It's kinda not so bad, but like, if you're sensitive to fragrance, you're probably not gonna be crazy for it. But I am looking forward to trying it on my face and hoping that I don't break out because I have acne prone skin, so I'm kinda nervous. But what I am here for is to show you a little item that came from my boyfriend, because on his thing it always says Emmy. It says Emmy. So I think this might be the sponge. I'm pretty sure. I'm not all the way positive, but it has to be really small. Scream is 10:10. This will change the timing. So 10:09 Central. It used to be 11. They changed the day, so it's airing on Tuesdays now instead of Yep, I was right. I see the orange. I was looking forward to this. Okay, I actually have a Real Technique sponge. I don't think this is the exact same, but it's pretty damn similar, and it's already really soft, so can't really see how it would go wrong. Yeah, maybe. Well, there's a Real Technique around here somewhere. If you want to find it. I know, like, the area where it was, unless it was a new. Yeah. Mine is really old, so that's why I never used it on my face. But here's a comparison. Sorry, it's a really old. Let's do comparison. So this is the one off Wish that was like $1, and this is the Real Technique, which is $5. The shape, it's pretty similar. It looked like the people that had it on Wish wanted to copy the Real Technique, which is obviously why I bought it, because I was like, I wonder how it's going to look. They're not quite the same, because the Real Technique one looks like it's longer and larger in size, opposed to the Wish one. The Wish one looks a little more puffy. This one's a little more slender. Here to put them up side to side. This one kind of goes back further and has more of the, how can I say it? More of a longer angle. This one's a puffy, this one's slender. But it's a sponge. I've had like different kind of sponges that were like rock hard that weren't going to do anything, but this is really soft. So I'm pretty sure like it's not really going to do me wrong. I probably use soap and water to clean it unless you have like the solid like cleanser thing that the Beauty Blender company makes. But I think it's a good dupe from what it looks like from the Real Technique. But when it comes to like feeling it, I think this is like a little more like spongy, more like giving, opposed to the Real Technique. It's like you have to squeeze it a little more and have more effort. So this one's just like spin. So I don't know. I might try the BB cream with the sponge. I'll probably use the sponge every day for my face makeup as it is. I use my foundation and concealer with the sponge. That's one of the things I was waiting for, so I'm really happy that I got it. So I'm gonna put that in my little cream. I don't want to put it in like a makeup bag or anything and get it all dirty. So yeah, I'm not gonna put makeup on because I don't really feel like doing it. I'm gonna let my skin breathe since I put makeup on last night. But yeah, that was my like unboxing slash first impressions of stuff I got. But you'll really get to see a first impression when I put this on my face. I can't wait. I'll have to tell you if it's oily skin or not, since it's a shiny skin. It's evening. I'll see you guys later.